In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Bankwest Online Banking. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see and share simple tips to keep your account secure along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the official Bankwest website or search for Bankwest and select the result that takes you to bankwest.com.au. Before you proceed, glance at the address to make sure it's the correct domain and that you can see the secure padlock icon in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button at the top of the page. Click that to move to the secure sign-in area. On the login page, you'll be asked to enter your details. Bankwest uses a personal access number, often called a PAN, together with your password. Your PAN is the unique number assigned to you when you set up online banking. Keep it private and avoid saving it on shared devices. Click into the field for your personal access number and type it carefully. Take a moment to double check each digit before moving on, especially if you're using a smaller keyboard or touchscreen. Next, click into the password field. Enter your password exactly as you created it. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so check for accidental spaces and make sure caps lock isn't turned on. If you prefer to see what you're typing, use the show or hide toggle if it's available on your screen, and always be mindful of who's around you when doing this. When both fields are complete, click the login button to submit your details. After a brief moment, you should be taken to your online banking dashboard. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to complete an additional verification step, such as approving a prompt on your mobile device or entering a one-time code. Simply follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. If the page doesn't load or you receive an error, check your internet connection, refresh the page, or try again in a moment. Using an up-to-date browser and a private connection can also help. That's it. You've signed into Bankwest Online Banking using your personal access number and password. For good security hygiene, consider bookmarking the official homepage for next time, avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi, and remember to sign out when you're finished.